Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will be adding my own colourful spin to a modern miniature chair, so stay tuned. Straight into the materials, I will be using 2mm MDF board, cardboard, a wood veneer, this one is in shade mahogany, a material for your cushions, a sponge or piece of foam, and finally, some patterned paper of your choice. Onto the tools that I will be using. We have a ruler, a pair of scissors, pen or pencil, a craft knife, sandpaper, and wood glue. For the first step today, we will be building the structure of our chair. For this we will be using 2mm MDF board. And look, I know this part can be rather boring, but please stay tuned and I promise you it will get a whole lot more colourful in just a moment. I'm just going to jump in to make a couple of points. One, if you want a high quality finish on your miniatures, then sanding is important. Do not skip that step. And second, if you are sanding, please wear a face mask. Okay, now we're ready for the fun part. So step 2, we're going to be adding some colour to our chairs. So now our chair is looking rather jazzy. It's also looking quite uncomfortable. So step 3, we are adding cushions. Step 3 is complete, and now we are ready for the big finale. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials.